timu ya borithi a GSU muthako wa volleyball ya arume mathite na mbere na gutitara gikombe kiao thutha wa kuhura timu ya KPA na seti 3-1 uhotani wa point 25 kwa 21 24 kwa 26 25 kwa 20 25 kwa 23 ngucanio iria yuma ya mbere thiini wa ithakiirwo cia tournament cia kuherania muthako-ini wa volleyball igitafanĩrio kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Kenya Prisons nao makurumanirie timu ya Fegi ya Cooperative na seti 3-0 uhotani uri uma wa point 25 kwa 14 25 kwa 14 na 25 kwa 11. Mwena wa Nyeri njorua cia Kenya Pipeline aria ni njorua a mwaka muthiru mahambata KCB na seti 3-0 na point 25 kwa 10 25 kwa 12 na 26 kwa 24. Riu Kenya Pipeline magatungana na thu ciao cia kahinda karaya Kenya Prisons muthenya wa rucio.
We are proud that we have won that match, that set, and beaten KCB 3-0. So this is the start of the defending champions, to defend the trophy we took last year, and I'm happy that we have won 3-0. So next we are beating Prisons to decide now who will be number 1 this year.
Kogi materefa Carl Tundo na Jackson ni njorua a mahenya ma ngari ma East African Classic Safari Rally maria matiriho umuthi thutha gukorwo kuo gwa kahinda ga thiku 8 magitafanĩrio kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Ngiribatara metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV riakwa ni mugure wa Karuiru.